What's the meaning of corporeal? Corporeal. Corporeal.
Corporeal. Corporeal. The term corporeal refers to something that has a physical body or existence. It is often used to describe things that have substance and are tangible, such as objects or living beings. This word emphasizes the material nature of something and distinguishes it from things that are abstract or conceptual. In essence, corporeal means relating to the physical world rather than the realm of ideas or imagination. Whether referring to a living organism or an inanimate object, corporeal implies a definite physical presence that can be perceived through the senses.